Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a very long time. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal area, meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $1.55, which so far so good. You can see on several different occasions today, the price came down here, including the early morning and then the final 30 minutes of the day. And each and every time, the price did a great job of holding strong. So definitely, if that can continue, that would be the greatest sign of strength on the bull's part. With that being said, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, staying above that level would be great. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, sure, staying above $1.55 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above $1.55, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at right now, I realize the price did go a little bit above this area, but as far as kind of just the general area of price congestion, right up here at $1.67. So $1.67 public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, great movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.